तो हम यहाँ तक तो पहुँच गए हैं, लेकिन हमारा सफ़र यहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं है, इख्तिताम नहीं है हमारा सफ़र यहाँ पे। हमने यहाँ से फिर मज़ीद ऊपर जाना, ऊपर एक नाला है, उस नाले से फिर उसकी तरफ आगे अपने मतलब इलाके की तरफ हमें। Hello, hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great. So now we are here, we're traveling towards the mountains of HunzA. Yeah, right now we are here. You can see the mesmerizing view of Aliyabad HunzA. Now we are trekking upwards to up there. We have to go up there. Yeah, there is a canal, a small canal, like you can say, which provides water to few lanes over there. Yeah. That's how we are living here in HunzA. So get in touch with us. In this video we will show you the small canal. Oh, now finally we are here, and as you can see the ravine down there. Yeah, there's a ravine, but now it hasn't water. Yeah, it hasn't water, you can see, because it's winter, that's why it hasn't water now. But there's the canal. There's the canal I was talking about. We have to go up there, so you can see the forest down here. Yeah, the wild forest. Oh, this forest is so horrific. Eh? What's that? Ah, waterfall. Got scared. Ah. You can see the horrific wild forest here, and just adjacent to this forest there is a ravine. Yeah, and this is a waterfall. You can see right up there from down there. Yeah, it's a waterfall. So we are in the bottom of the waterfall, as you can see up there. Yeah, this is the highest point of the water, and down there, that one is down there, that one is the bottom of the waterfall. But it hasn't water now because it is winter. Yeah, and yeah, that's all about this cascade. And right now we are heading to our own area. So this is the canal I was talking about it. Yeah, 3 minutes back, and right now we are going through. We are just take it. We will just pass by this tunnel. Through this tunnel you can see a small tunnel which was built for this canal. Yeah, but now it is not functional, and it is so, I'm so astounded that this tunnel was built without any proper gear, without any proper instruments. Yeah, how it is possible that they had built such tunnel without instruments? Oh wow, splendid. Now you can see the mesmerizing view of the HunzA. Not of all HunzA, but only Aliyabad. It's the metropolis of HunzA here, and you can see we were just walking through that canal, if you can see. Yeah, and this is the small canal. And you can see it's so perilous and dangerous. You can just assume the height. Hardly a single individual, you can see my feet, single individual can hardly walk through it. Yeah. Yeah, this one is came here through landsliding. Yeah, I think this canal had some debris fall or landsliding, some sort of, you can see. Oh no. Oh god. Just hold this camera for me, bro, for a moment. Oh, I made it, bro. Oh, it was so dangerous. But after all, I made it. And down there, here is our cousin. Yeah. See, he's killed Manila. Wal theater, dosila. Yeah, we are here walking over the mountains. Whoa. This stone, yeah, this stone contains ruby. I think, yeah, ruby. It's stone of ruby. Oh god, it's so perilous, so perilous walking I have ever experienced. You can see this. You can see this tree. It is now dried. Oh god, I will suggest everyone to at least they should come here once in their lifetime to experience such dangerous hiking, you know, hiking, trekking, or whatever they want to do. Here everything is possible. Yeah, everything. Whoa. From this point, yeah, from this point onwards there is so dangerous way. I will show you every second in the video.
Rocky Mountain here.
Yeah,
See that?
just here you can see these sharp mountains like knives. You can see. Oh. And this canal, this walk through, had built by our ancestors. Oh god. Oh no. Yeah. We are here walking over the mountains. Believe me guys, believe me, I will suggest everyone to come both this lane at least once in their lifetime, because wow. Just imagine how hard it would be to walk in such way. In fact, there wasn't a way, but we made. Be careful, be attentive every second with every step of your feet. Yeah. Oh, the walk, narrow one.
Wat die zullen doen.
No. This tree grown up in the center of the canal. Yeah, this one is of mine. Yeah, this stone, as I have stated earlier, this contains a ruby, the precious stone. Cousin, yana yakho bas kai gonto dusha bango kai shawlo parat na nut nda. Gar no manya to meter chut me. Bajod. Beral khale mi chama kami me siba. Oh.
Hazır mı bu şey? Sudan bir gez şu ay çünkü onu göre.
यार यहाँ नहीं information में यार छेड़े गन
Kasa sir.
Oh, we found a ruby.
Kita kasa kita.
It's so precious. ये कज़न उनका कोला इसको तो नीचे खुदा सुनते यार छेड़े गुलो सीम बस हुए खुद वीडियो दुमाई में बोलो Alpaz bela Chan. Oh, how stupid guy he is. He is expecting to find a ruby, in such rock. Oh wow. You can see that one. That one is Rakaposhi. Yeah, this one. That one is Rakaposhi. This one is the Iran Peak, and
Golden Peak.
this one is Golden Peak. And there are so many peaks just behind them. And you can see their ravine. Their ravine is
Hopper.
Yeah, it's for Hopper and it's for HunzA. Upper HunzA. Because power bank charging first to be a power bank charging first to be charge Kaibi 3% of the squibby 3% to the bias of the screen power bank. So, Proban me, it doesn't go about so good. I like her to Hatarnak, this Karas Manish Kayla Hanichabangu. Oh, you can see just this clip. Yeah, this one is so high and so risky. Wow. But from right here there is no danger. This one is so easy to cross, to walk over. How? Hasan?
Okay. Rattlesnake.
Oh, this one is the remain of rattlesnake. You can see. Oh wow, incredible. 오름 차나 또랑 무시하는 그 토에 담아내야지. Yeah, this one is the skin, the remaining skin of snake. I wish I could see a snake over here in this hollow stone. But no. Hey, yellow bus, So right now we are here on the mountains. Yeah, you can see this. You can see these white stones right here, just behind me. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's a mine. We were just searching for a ruby, but we haven't found some, and right now we are descending. As you can see, my companion over here, he also is walking downwards. Despacito. No sabe. Oh wow. And honestly, I'm telling you that the canal we have just passed just few minutes back, it was so perilous. I haven't even experienced such dangerous way, but right now I just came across through that canal, through that perilous way, and right now we are descending towards our family, towards our home. Yeah, this way, cousin. This way? Is this the way? Okay. Oh, sorry, I took the wrong path. But here is the right path. Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Oh, I have to jump, but I have managed to jump, and right now we are descending. Lagi basacağım lan. My voice is not echoing, I don't know why and how it is possible. Woo! No, it's not echoing.